Stanford Online App. The pros, the cons. If you're interested in taking online courses from one of the world's leading universities, the Stanford Online App promises access to high-quality learning, but is it worth it? One of the biggest pros is course variety. Most people get this wrong by thinking Stanford Online is limited to tech or business. In reality, the app offers courses in health, humanities, data science, engineering, and more. You can watch video lectures, complete quizzes, and even earn certificates to showcase your skills. Another advantage is flexibility. The app allows you to learn at your own pace, download materials for offline use, and track progress easily. Notifications and reminders help keep you on schedule, making it ideal for busy professionals or lifelong learners. However, there are cons. Some courses are paid, and free options may be limited. Certain interactive features, like discussion forums or group projects, can feel less dynamic compared to in-person classes. Also, navigating the app can be slightly confusing at first due to the sheer number of available programs. In conclusion, the Stanford Online App is an excellent platform for high-quality learning with the flexibility to study anywhere. The surprising truth is that while it delivers world-class content, engagement and self-motivation are key to fully benefiting from the courses. For learners who want to access Stanford's expertise without leaving home, the app offers tremendous value, but expect to take responsibility for pacing, participation, and applying what you learn.